One of my favorite Spanish expressions has to be the word mierda. Mierda is shit in English, and it is an expression that a lot of Spanish speakers use. So when they feel angry and when they feel like, oh my God, what's happening? Eso es una mierda. ¿Qué está pasando aquí? ¿Sabes? So mierda is quite a flexible word when you are enraged, when you are feeling a certain way, when you don't like something. So eso es una mierda. ¿Qué es eso? But also at the same time, I just found out that a lot of like Chabacanos in the Philippines use mierda as an expression as well, to express their feeling that they're angry about something. And I think that it's a flexible word and that everyone should use. Not use, but like everyone should be aware about this word. So let me know which provinces in the Philippines use mierda, aside from Chabacanos and people who are from Zamboanga. Obviously, as you guys know, there's like a Spanish Creole called Chabacano in Zamboanga, parts of Zamboanga, probably like the Zamboanga region. So yeah, let me know if there are more information that we can learn from each other.